27 lakh crore rupees. That's how much money flowed through UPI in a single month in 2025. India just built the world's most powerful digital payment system from scratch, and companies are now desperately hunting for people who can build, scale, and secure it. If you're an engineer, an MBA, a CA, or a CFA, the next 5 years could make you a prize talent with high earning potential. Welcome to the career revolution nobody's talking about. Namaste, I'm Shri, your host on Bharat Careers 2047, the channel that shows you where India's biggest career opportunities are hiding. Today we are diving into part 1 of our 3-part Fintech series. This video covers Fintech and digital payments. Part 2, which will be launched later, covers digital public infrastructure, and part 3 also, to be launched later, covers Fintech GCCs. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which companies are hiring, what skills you need, what salaries to expect in the fintech and digital payments space, and how to get your foot in the door. Let's go. India's fintech story began in earnest with demonetization in 2016. That shock forced 300 million people online financially almost overnight. What followed was explosive. Today, India is the third largest fintech ecosystem in the world. After the US and China, there are over 10,000 fintech startups in India as of 2025. The sector attracted over $6 billion in funding in 2024 alone. And the best part? We're still in the early innings. The opportunities fall into 6 main segments. 1. Digital payments and UPI layer. 2. Lending tech, buy now, pay later, MSME lending. 3. Wealth tech and insurtech. 4. Banking technology, neobanks. 5. Regulatory technology, regtech. 6. Blockchain and crypto. Let's break down who's hiring, where, and what they want. Let's map out the fintech and digital payments ecosystem. I'll go sector by sector. So where is Fintech in India actually based? Bengaluru, the undisputed capital. Razorpay, PhonePe, Juspay, Cashfree, Groww, CRED, Bharat Pay, all here. Fintech belt runs from Koramangala to HSR layout to Bengaluru. Mumbai, Finance Hub. Paytm, branch. Zerodha, branch. Policy Bazaar, lending card, plus all bank digital arms, HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank Fintech. Most regulatory bodies, RBI, SEBI, IRD, AI are Mumbai based. Hyderabad, growing fast. BillDesk, PayU, Wells Fargo, GCC, FactSet, all here. Strong GCC presence, Pune, Mastercard Tech Hub. Worldline India, BNY Mellon, GCC, Engineering Heavy, NCR, Gurgaon and Noida. Paytm HQ, Policy Bazaar, India Mart, some BPO adjacent fintech companies. The government is not a bystander here. They're actively pushing careers in this space. 1. RBI Innovation Hub, RBIH, Bengaluru. RBIH is building fintech products for financial inclusion. They hire engineers, product managers, and policy analysts. Apply at rbih.org.in. 2. India Stack, the government's open API initiative. UIDAI, MEITY, and NPC. I all have structured recruitment. Check india.gov.in and careers at npci.org.in. 3. MEITY NASCOM COE, a startup accelerator for fintech/deep tech. The companies that come out of this program actively hire. 4. PMKVY, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, offers subsidized courses in digital banking, payment systems, and financial literacy. Check pmkvyofficial.org. 5. ISFM, Indian School of Finance and Management, MEITY supported upskilling, free and low-cost courses in fintech. 6. MSME Digital Payments Initiative, creates analyst roles in helping MSMEs go digital. Skill India portal, skillindia.nsdcindia.org, lists 200 plus fintech adjacent certifications. Let us now look at all the application channels available to apply to these opportunities. Now to the most interesting part of the video, let me give you the consolidated salary picture for 2026. India's digital payments revolution isn't slowing down. UPI is being exported to 7 countries. NPCI International is taking the rails global. The people who build this infrastructure today will be the leaders of tomorrow's financial world. In Part 2, Fintech 2, we cover digital public infrastructure, careers, UIDAI, NPCI, iSPERT, ONDC, the government and non-profit side of the digital financial revolution. And in Part 3, we cover Fintech GCCs, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal India, and more. Like this video if it was valuable, subscribe to Bharat Careers 2047 and drop your questions in the comments. Hope you liked this episode of Bharat Careers 2047. Do comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more exciting episodes ahead.